Okay, now let's do question 4. And it's another balancing one. Okay, so when calcium metal is placed in water, a single displacement reaction occurs. And write out a balanced equation to describe this reaction. So first of all, we have calcium solid in water. Now remember, guys, a single displacement reaction means that only one of the compounds or elements is going to get displaced. So in this case, what's happening is we're forming calcium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas. Now, little side note, if this had been something like a double displacement, we would have had something where the two compounds would then flip-flop, and then your product would be the flip-flop of the original reactants. But in a single displacement reaction, you're always going to have it where one of the compounds is just going to form up with one of the parts of this other compound, and you'll get this. But with that being said, let's now work on the problem.
Learning Resource Center.
So, the question says we have calcium solid with water, forming calcium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. So, what do we do here? Well, our calciums are balanced, so now let's move on to the hydrogens. Well, what we find out here is we have 2 hydrogens on this side, and we have 4 hydrogens on this side. So we can just put a 2 here, so that gives us 4 hydrogens on the reactant side. And then for our oxygens, we have 2 oxygens already, so your equation is balanced. And so this equation is your answer.